foodies, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make oatmeal with milk. Here are the ingredients we need. Half a cup of raw oats, 1 cup of fresh milk, some raisin, salt to taste, sugar. First of all, take a pan and add 1 cup of fresh milk and switch on the flame. Add a tablespoon of sugar for sweetness and salt to taste. Mix it for a few minutes until sugar is dissolved. When milk is boiling, add half a cup of instant oats. Mix and cook until the milk gets absorbed. Lastly, add some raisin and mix it for a few seconds. Our oatmeal is done and switch off the flame. Healthy oatmeal is ready. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with lovely recipe.